I think that when people look back at the KDA price in 2024-25, they're going to be absolutely shocked and they will regret not buying KDA at this price. What is up, guys? My name is Ari, and in this video, we're going to be having a look at KDA price prediction, technical analysis to see where KDA can potentially go. And as you guys can see right here, Kadena did break this downtrend right here. So it's been in a downtrend since the 23rd of April, 2023. And KDA just broke this downtrend. And the big question is, will it continue to explode to the upside? I think that KDA will repeat what Solana did back in the last bull market. So we could see right here, KDA is obviously top 200 cryptocurrency. The market cap of KDA is currently sitting at $158 million, ranked 184. The volume is quite low, but as you guys can see right here, in the past week, they're up 9.5%. And in the past month, they're up 26.1%. Now, KDA has been a sleeping, it's been sleeping. Let's just say that it's been a sleeper. A lot of people don't have confidence in them. But if you see what the team is building and how many dApps they're building and the developers and the improvement that they're doing, it's going to be crazy. KDA claims that they could do up to 480,000 transactions per second. And that's not even it. It is the first proof of work scalable decentralized cryptocurrency out there. So we could see right here, this is obviously the whole crypto market. It's been in red overall, nothing too crazy. We got USCC up 23.7%, but KDA has been doing wonders, and it had a huge pump over the weekend right here, as you guys can see, pumping all the way from 58 cents to 60 cents, or even higher than that. I believe it peaked to 71 cents on some exchanges. So right here, the volume traded is obviously pretty low, sitting at $3.5 million. Market cap is sitting on $160 million. Circulating supply is sitting at 238 million tokens. Okay, and the total supply, max supply, is 1 billion. So obviously I like Solana, I like all these cryptocurrency, but they don't have a max supply. Okay, they have an unlimited supply. That means you could mint unlimited or stake and get unlimited amount. Atom as well, Ethereum as well. They don't have a max supply, and it creates a big problem for the future case, right? So that's what's happening right now for KDA, guys. If you guys don't know what KDA is, I would highly suggest looking back at my old videos. I will be leaving them in the link in the description below on what KDA is and what it does. But let's dive into a quick technical analysis on KDA, guys, because we know technical analysis does work. So having a look at KDA, we did break a massive downtrend right here. So obviously, like I said at the beginning of the video, KDA was trending at not $22. It was trending at $1, obviously, or right below $1 on Saturday, April 22nd, 2023. And ever since, this thing has been coming down. I mean, it has been coming down, dropping over 50% of its value in just a matter of a few months, as you guys can see, for 50% approximately. So that's what's happening right now for KDA. And the big question is, what is the next target for KDA? Well, if I actually zoom out for the chart, we could potentially see KDA coming back down, or back up, sorry, to 85 cents. Now, at the end of the day, it's going to depend on what BTC does, because we know Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's the leader. I will be doing a technical analysis on Bitcoin towards the end. So make sure you guys stay towards the end just to see that, because Bitcoin is a very important indicator for the future. So we could see right here that KDA could run up all the way to 85, 86, even $1 in the near future, which would obviously be a 24% pump. If we go all the way up to $1, it could be a 60% pump. Now, of course, if you bought it right here at 50 cents, that is obviously over 100%, right? So that was the ultimate support. A lot of people were waiting for 50 cents. They got greedy. I also was drawing this this ascending or descending symmetrical triangle that I said on Twitter that KDA was going to be get ready for a massive breakout, and whether it was going to be to the top side or to the bottom side, that was going to depend on where it breaks out. And it looks like we are breaking to the top side, and the top side says that KDA should go back to this resistance right here. And of course, the bottom would be 41 cents, which would be very bad. But that's what's happening overall for KDA. Nothing too crazy. The weekly time frame is still looking pretty ugly in a massive downtrend, as you guys can see right here. If I actually take out the descending triangle or the descending downtrend right here on the weekly time frame, we could see that we're still in a massive downtrend, and the next potential target should be 83 cents, like I just showed you guys a few seconds ago. So If we manage to break this downtrend right here, which would obviously be this resistance right here as well, then obviously we should see a massive move to the upside as well. If we don't, we're not going to see it. Like I said, at the end of the day, everything depends on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is king. And if I do a quick TA on Bitcoin right here, we could see that Bitcoin is holding this resistance right here. And right now the bears are currently rejecting BTC, and it seems like BTC is getting tired and it does want to flip over to the downside. Now, of course, if that happens, we're most likely going to see KDA bleed to the downside as well, and we could see Kadena dropping to 41 cent, which would be a grid buy opportunity as well. But another thing I want to show you guys is obviously this resistance right here, or this support. The trend is your friend until it bends. There's no question about that. So yes, Bitcoin can come actually all the way down to 28,000 before exploding to the upside, or we could explode right away, blow and go to $42,000, maybe blow past it, come back, retest, consolidate before going to the upside. Remember guys, the halving is just less than a year away, so obviously a lot of big things are going to be happening. We know that bull markets usually happen a couple months after the Bitcoin halving, so we're going to have to see overall what happens with this pattern and the halving in about 300 days from now. My name's Ari. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.